Hi James, in this lesson we are going to learn about axis of Sketchup. So what is the use of axis and what are the types of axis used in Sketchup? In Sketchup there are three types of axis: red, blue and green. So let's come on the Sketchup, create a new project and we will see what are the use of these axes. I have created a new project in Sketchup and here you can see three lines. One is blue line, another one is green line and another one is red axis. So these three are the axes. To measure the length, breadth and height of any of the 3D dimension, we need these three axes. Okay, if these axes are not visible to you, you have to go in this display tool and just click on this, and from here you have to always check axis. If I uncheck it, these axes will not be visible to you. So always make sure that these axis is checked. Now, what is the use of these axes? So for example, if you want to create a rectangle, okay, if you want to create a rectangle on the red axis, just click on origin and go to the red axis. Okay, now what I want to create a rectangle horizontal to this plane, like I want to create a new rectangle in the blue axis. Okay, so from here if you create, like this is going to move in a red axis, but I want to make it horizontal. So how I can do it? I will click right arrow. So whenever I will press a right arrow key, it will be horizontal. Or this object which we are creating will move into blue axis. So that will be locked and it will always move into a blue axis only, not on the red or green axis. Okay. So now I have created a rectangle and you can see I have created one rectangle over the blue axis. Now if I want to create a rectangle on the green axis, how I can do that? For that again I will go to origin and I will move to the green axis like this. So now this rectangle has been created over the green axis. So basically if we say blue axis is the height and red axis is the length and green axis is the depth of any of the 3D model. Okay, now let's create one horizontal circle and one vertical circle. How we can create it? For that, first I am going to choose a circle, and from the circle first I am going to create a horizontal circle. Now I want to create a horizontal circle on the same shape. How we can create it? Because right now this circle is coming on the horizontal, not in a vertical shape. So I will just press arrow key, right arrow key. You can see that a small red circle has been created. Now I am able to create a vertical circle over the red axis. So see, I created a horizontal as well as vertical circle. Now, so in this lesson we have learned the different type of axis used in a SketchUp.